Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got another TMG Volunteer rolling out shot today. This is going to my man Nick down in Massachusetts, as Brandon says. And Nick's got something special here. This is the first time we have done this white wall tire setup on an off-road package. Really came out slick. So we got the white wall tires. Hey, made in Tennessee, by the way, by our guys up there at Coker Tire. Baby Moon hubcaps. Really looks slick on the old Volunteer here. Let's check out the rest of the smoker. Now, guys, another thing that makes this thing very special is the size of it, right? This is a big ass smoker, about 130 gallons. We got a 52-inch wide smoke chamber, 27.5 inches deep, 2 sliding trays, of course. I do have a water pan shelf back here in the back as well. All 1/4-inch plate steel, fold down smokestack, and actually on the firebox here, we got a 3/8 thick firebox, so extra thick firebox. Hooked them up with a custom stainless steel logo right there. So hey guys, that is Nick's Volunteer heading up to Massachusetts. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit belt, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.